Okay, I have to probe uh, some of the pins for the TCU, or some call it a TCM, transmission control unit or transmission control module. And these original ohm meter probes are thick. You can mess up the spacing inside of the harness by forcing it in far enough for it to connect, and it'll open up. If you look in there, you see it be crimped over. It's only supposed to hug these, okay, and it's specifically on that rectangle type size fitting. And if you can see these are a little bit bigger than those pins, but it's huge all the way around. It's round. That's just wide on one side. So I had to make something, and I always like to overdo it. I mean, I guess kind of, but so I found a couple clips laying around. I ripped the rubber sheathing off. I soldered one end here, and I soldered another end on another clip. There you can see they're not the same. I scoured the house looking for anything. I don't care what it was for. I had to use a chip bag holder. I mean, I just needed something that was strong enough. And they're called alligator clamps, but I know that one is because it's got the teeth. That one there, it's just a clamp. But anyway, these here, I had to redo this myself. Also, it broke off. But this here, those will clip onto these. Okay, then I can set this over in the corner somewhere and not mess with it. I hate trying to probe something and you're reaching up and you get it in there, finally get it in there, and it's so short to where the damn thing will flip over and now you can't read it. And you don't have two hands that you can use, okay? You're like, and at the same time trying to like have a flashlight on or something. Or in my case, like yesterday, it was dark, and I just I kept had my drill right there. I kept tapping the front of my drill. I got the light on my drill. It was shut off after about 5 seconds, but I needed some kind of light, and I needed it now. And I mean, I didn't know what to do at that point, but this was a huge problem. Okay, so these are just needles, all right? And if you take a look here, I think I ordered them or something. I mean, I guess I do all the sewing here. Uh, my wife don't. She says she don't know how. I just don't think she wants to. But anyway, I figured that would be pretty good. So I soldered them on, and then I shrink wrapped them, as you can see. Okay, and they're just needles, just sharp needles. And in addition to that, these are pointy. It's supposed to be really sharp so that you can poke through a wire. Watch, I'll show you. So here's a wire from a different harness, okay? You're supposed to be able to not cut an opening, but put it directly in the center of the wire and push. And this will penetrate the sheathing, the rubber, and you'll be able to get a reading on the wire itself, the copper wire. Okay, and then when you pull it out, there's nothing. There's no hole, no nothing. Well, that's going to leave a giant hole still. Okay, this is nothing but a needle, sewing needle. It's tiny, so you can easily do it with this. I mean, be careful, because I already know I get hurt with the dullest shit. I mean, it might be that screwdriver right there, and I'll poke my hand or something, and it'd be a cut. But anyway, I just want to show you guys. You can extend out your probes, and this is a way here so that you do not mess up any harnesses. Okay,